Updating your payout information on DataRobot is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log in. Access your DataRobot account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select payout information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Payout Information or Payment Details. Click on this option to view your current payout information. Step 4. Update your details. You will see fields for your payout information. Enter the new details you wish to update, such as bank account information or payment method. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to review your payout information periodically to keep it up to date.